Hi everyone, here we've got HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the backup and reset option. Let's tap on it. As you can see here at the very first position, we've got backup my data option, which is in my case turned off, and you can see that I actually cannot tap on backup account. So let's turn it on just by tapping on it and tapping on this switcher right here. After getting back, you can see that the backup account option is active right now, so we can freely tap on it in order to add it, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, then let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on it in order to gain much more info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here your device is telling you that it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, here we've got the option automatic restore, and right now it is obviously turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher here, and it means that when you will reinstall an app, then your device will restore back to app settings and data. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.